Hello. We are here today to show you a bit about InsureYourTech.Cloud and what value we can take from our simulation service and from our Cloud.Risk portal. InsureYourTech.Cloud it's a provider of outage information for cloud services. We have built a new generation of systems with the help of generative AI that can harvest, collect, transform, and supply information about cloud outages and give a feel for our customers on what best technology is less prone to actually suffer from cloud outages. And you can compare those technologies. If you land in our website, InsureYourTech.Cloud, you'll land on our landing page and you can try a simulation. Simulations are free, but they are limiting the amount of information that we supply. We just supply very little information about 2024 outages. If you want a more into depth, into detail information about cloud outages, you should subscribe to the cloud portal. Registration is free on the Cloud.Risk portal. You can register, you can create an account, and you can log in with your user credentials. I created here one with InsureYourTech.Cloud. As you can see, you log in, and then you can find technologies. How the product works? Very simple. We ask our customers to fulfill a company name, and they can give it a temporary project name that we don't save. And then we can request the customers to enable information. We simply request customers to insert information about three use of service utilizations: the cloud vendor that you want to use, that you want to compare, and then the products that you want to use. Example: Amazon Bedrock. Compare it with Google Cloud Vertex AI. Okay. You can select a region, but we recommend to keep it global because it gives a holistic and general perspective of all the outages in the world about that technology. And if you want to use redundancy, it's better to use more than one. So global, it's our recommendation to keep it as global. Then you can put how much you believe you're going to spend on this technology. Let's put like $250 per technology here and $160 on the other one. So when you enable the technology, you can add as much as like 50 or 100 technologies. Just gonna put two here, so to make it simpler, and then you just click here the Cloud.Risk submit data button. If you submit your data, what it happens is there's a calculation happening on the background where the information is requested to our services and our servers, and you can compare the technologies that you have requested here. So it gives you information about the SLAs, tier 1. Typically, contracts, they give you 4-tier SLAs, tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, and tier 4. You can obtain from our core the percentage usage of SLA, the actual downtime that was expected according to the SLA monthly. Okay, so monthly you would expect this amount of minutes according to the SLA, and then the actual downtime monthly for the services. And then we have here the risk coefficients that we calculate according to utilization and according to proximity and respect of the SLA. We have now a comprehensive level of information, starting with from the customer summary, then for the individual cloud vendors, and then for the specific selected cloud services. So this expands quite widely if you add like 40 or 50 services. Then what we provide is outage information. This is the core of our product, the bread and butter of our product. So at core, we supply information about outages. This is a premium account. So I have information about, example, outages on different regions on Amazon Bedrock, and how those are comparable between one technology and the other. If you scroll, you'll see also here Google Cloud Vertex AI, which had suffered a few more outages. But they have information valid for the last couple of years. Then the service tiers, and then when a service is not on a specific outage for a region, it's not under the SLA. You'll see here an estimated credit back, which might impacted you. Example here, some in Google Cloud Vertex AI for this US East 4. There was an exceed of the minutes for SLA tier 1. So for every 260 pounds, you might be entitled to $26 pounds credit back, depending on your currency here that you establish your contract. And that's a bit it today that I have for you guys. Use the service. It's free for now, and you can compare as many technologies as you'd like, and you can add here other technology and vendors to your satisfaction. I hope it was useful this today.